School bus insurance. Everything you need to know. School bus insurance is a necessity if your road trip plans include a conversion bus. Finding school bus insurance may take some research, but with the right knowledge and preparation, you can ensure you have enough coverage for your bus. Some driver may wonder if they can insure a school bus that has been converted to a full-time RV or camper. Insurance eligibility will vary from provider to provider, but will usually require to the following. There must be a refrigeration appliance. There must be bathroom facilities. The bus must have heating and cooling. There must be equipment with cooling appliance. The bus must have a drinkable water supply. The bus must have a 110-125 volt power supply. Who converted the bus will also make a difference in the insurance policy you should buy. If you take on a dive project and make the renovations yourself, it's considered a non-professional bus conversion. If you outsource the project to a professional, then it's referred to as a professional conversion. Most people will find that it is easier to get affordable coverage for a professional conversion. This is because the project was completely by licensed professionals and you are less likely to fill an insurance claim. How school bus insurance rates are calculated. Insurance companies take different factors into account when calculating how much you will pay from our school bus insurance rates as reported by Trusted Choice. The following can affect your rates. Use of the bus. Some may offer insurance coverage as long as bus is very commercially. Who complete the renovations, whether the bus conversion was completed by profession or not, and determine not only your rate but also whether you can find coverage at all. Age of the bus. The year the bus was manufactured will also factor in insurance rate. Older buses may be harder to insure. It may be harder to find insurance for a bus that is more than 20-year-old. Make model of the bus. The make and model of the bus will also affect your insurance rate. Additionally, the type and condition of the motor and transmission will be considered when determining the risk is present. May insurance provider may want to complete in appraisal on the school bus before offering any type of insurance policy. This is because it can be difficult to determine the value of the converted school bus without actually inspecting it first. How to find affordable school bus insurance. It's best to talk with an insurance representative and obtain quotes from multiple providers before completing your bus conversions. Doing so some give a good idea how much you will pay for insurance for a non-professional bus conversion versus a professional version. Shopping around will give you an idea of how will cover your bus versus who might not offer coverage if you completed the renovation by yourself. Insurance eligibility and equipment can also vary from state to state, meaning it is important to talk with an insurance representative in your state. Shopping around is one of the best ways to find affordable school bus insurance rates. You want to be honest with your agent regarding the renovation as well as the condition of the bus. It's also necessary to choose the right auto insurance provider. Not only do you want a provider that will offer you affordable coverage, but also one that gives you sufficient coverage. Do your research so you can know that to expect when comparing school bus insurance quotes. When find an insurance agent that is willing to make the time to answer your questions. While price is important, you also want to consider the level of coverage available. How much will you have to pay if you are in an accident? How much will your insurance rate increase? Types of school bus insurance. Before talking on a school bus conversion project, it is also a good idea to know what types of insurance are available. There are two types of school bus insurance. Commercial vehicles for personal use insurance. This insurance will cover you as you convert your used bus. It will also cover you while you drive the bus home as well as the time in which it is stored wherever the renovations are taking place. Full coverage school bus conversions insurance. This is also referred to a full-time RV insurance. It covers all damage and include liability, comprehensive and collision insurance. Your school bus conversion will need to be completed and appraised before getting this type of insurance. Full coverage insurance is the coverage you need when you are traveling with the more converted school bus. According to school living evaluating your insurance need, it an important part of getting a good rate. Here are a few types of coverage. Liability coverage is usually required to all moving vehicles in most states. This type of policy cover bodily injury and property damage if you are in auto accident in which you are at fault. Conversions collision coverage usually an hospital acts on that convert your damage regardless of who is fault for the accident. Comprehensive coverage